Hello everyone, once again I will come to my channel. I think that you are all doing fantastic. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Today I am in front of you to tell you about the importance of learning English. You know, English is an international language. It is also foreign language. If you want to know about the other countries, you need to know English, and also you need to know more vocabularies about English. If you are very expert in speaking English and also about the new vocabularies, it will help you to know about the other countries of the world. I think that you got my point. To know the things of other countries, you should practice English speaking. Also, you should know how to make sentences in English. If you do not do, you will not be able to know the history of other countries. So I think that you got my point. You need to know English well, and it will also help you to be good person in the world. Obviously, you need to practice English. Will you practice English? Yes, try to speak in English. Don't think about the mistakes. You should know that failure is the pillar of success. So, don't think about that